The ambassador of the United Arab Emirates to Indonesia and Timor-Leste, Abdulla Salem Al Dhaheri, paid his first official visit to TATOLI in Dili on Tuesday to strengthen media relations and promote information exchange cooperation between the national news agencies of both countries. During the meeting, both sides discussed opportunities for cooperation to improve the flow of reliable and credible information between Timor-Leste and the UAE. The ambassador highlighted the importance of trusted media institutions in combating the spread of false information and emphasized strong coordination between the UAE Embassy in Jakarta and TATOLI.
Meeting today, we have also touched base on areas of engagement. We also considered coordinating between both national agencies of UAE and Timor-Leste, where they can really have a better flow of information. Both agencies are considered to be a well-known, reliable source of information, and they're where we want to capitalize on. Also, we have discussed how we can really engage better and best between the embassy in Jakarta, where we come from, and the agency here, where we can really also exchange the flow of information between both sides to become much more reliable. False information are always hovering around in the horizon. So both sides are very much reliable source of information, and we would definitely capitalize on each other and rely on each other.
Meanwhile, Chairman of the Board of Directors of TATOLI, Noemio Mateus Suarez Falcão, welcomed the visit and expressed appreciation for the embassy's continued attention to TATOLI's publication. He also revealed plans to connect TATOLI with the UAE's official news agency, Emirates News Agency, as part of efforts to build closer media cooperation in the future. Both parties described the visit as an important first step towards a formal partnership agreement between the national news agencies of Timor-Leste and the United Arab Emirates.